everyone, welcome to our episode 2 of our podcast. In our last episode, we talked about how SaveNet simplifies the day-to-day duties of a SACCO or someone running the SACCO, and today we'll be talking about something so sensitive, that is security and accountability. We are happy to host Simon again from Tricksoft. You're welcome back, Simon. We are happy to have you.
Well, thank you very much, Emily.
Let's start with a big one that affects everyone or every member. That's about privacy. When someone hands over their personal information or financial details, what is actually stopping an authorized eye from seeing it, or how does SaveNet lock it down, like not being seen by other people?
Yeah, I think you want to bring it in a view of accessibility. Who can access this information? Well, first of all, the clients have two options. Can either access their information using the USSD or the mobile application. Now, on this mobile application, you have, of course, login credentials. That is your phone number and username. And on the USSD, you have a USSD account number. Now, when you are registering a new client, the system will generate for this client a unique USSD code. Now, this USSD code is what you use to log into the USSD, and you get to view your details, that is the savings that you have, the loans, and everything that concerns your account. And the other bit is the security of authorized personnel. Not everyone gets to see what you have in your account. Now, as you see, banks, it can be a, what are they called, customer relations officer. Now, same with SaveNet, you can grant roles and permissions to who can access clients' data. This can be a supervisor, this can be a manager, such people who are authorized to view this data. Another thing is this system is not available to everyone outside the business. It's not like you're going to give it to the cleaner, you're going to give it to anyone outside your SACCO or money lending business. So access is only limited to the client, first of all, and second, to authorized personnel within the business.
What if someone lands on a phone of a client and accidentally taps on the app, on the SaveNet app? Do they go to the dashboard of the client or see how the client has been transacting and putting in his everything? Or there is somehow like when the client finishes the transaction, he's logged out and he has to log in every time he's going to do the payment or review his actions? Like, I'm curious on that thing of, let's say like maybe my child gets my phone, does he see the details and how I'm doing my activities with SaveNet?
Yeah, for logging in and logging out, the moment you log out or out of this app, automatically the system will ask you to input your phone number and the password. Now, the password is set by the owner of the account. Like how you use these banking apps, some of them will ask you for your username and the password that is only known to you. So, access is only to the beholder. The moment you log out, system will also the app will ask you to re-log in with your phone number and the password.
Accountability is make or break for a SACCO. How does SaveNet make sure that every coin and shilling is accountable for in a system or in a SACCO?
SaveNet accounts for both the staff and the business itself.
Yes.
Whether it's customer deposits, customer withdrawals, transfers, disbursements, even for the business, even if it is expenses, recorded transactions, the system will provide a complete report of everything. Now, if you look at a general ledger, that is something that is directed towards the business. You would want to know the money that you've received and the money that has gone out. So in the general ledger, you will get to see all the transactions that you've made, the withdrawals made by a client, the transactions made, deposits. You'll be able to view all that under the business ledger. Same applies to a client. Client gets an individual ledger. Some people would call it a mini statement. Nja kulaba sente zange zenaka savinga, sente zange zenaka withdrawinga. So they want that accountability. And now with SaveNet, you get expenses report, transactional reports, that is the withdrawals, the transfers. You also get business and financial reports. What do I mean by business reports? Those business statements, income statements, balance sheets, that is mainly for the business. Then for financial reports, this can be your regulator. Because to be an operating business, Uganda, you have to be legal.
Yes.
And having a regulator is part of being legal. So regulators usually ask for, let's say, reports of financial income, comprehensive income, financial position. So you can also generate a report to your regulator. Whatever has happened within your business, you get a full report.
I get.
So that's the accountability the system gives you. And not only that, accountability also comes in the form of audit.
Yes.
It keeps, let me call it real-time tracking. We want to know who has logged into the system, what have they done in the system, and the time they have logged out.
Actually, that was my next question.
Exactly. Now, let me combine all of that and give you a broader picture.
Okay.
So to get an audit, real-time tracking, we want to look at what has happened on the system. You wouldn't want to have missing cash or missing transactions or missing entries without you knowing who logged in and who logged out, who did what on the system, at what time and when. So when you have that audit, you want to know who entered at what time, what did they do.
Yes.
Because at the end, this will affect you as a business if you give a blind eye to this.
I understand. Can't those staff that have access to the system go to the payments or the money that they have received from the client? I think this may not apply to the app, so the person has paid with the app, or maybe it may apply to the person who has come to the office and they have entered their digits directly from the office. Can't this person who has entered the digits go back and remove like a zero and changes the figure of the money the person has paid?
You were talking about like reversing a transaction.
Not reversing, but faking the digits of the money. Faking the digits. Yes.
Now, at the end of that day, you would want to have accountability of that money.
Yes.
So if the system says that you entered a deposit of 50,000, you as a supervisor, you as a manager, you would want to ask your loans officers. Here it shows that you've entered 50,000 as someone's deposit.
Yes.
So where's the 50,000? You have to be saying that 50,000. So at the end of the day, in case this loans officer has entered a wrong amount, you already have a digital footprint of that transaction entered. So you would ask this loans officer or agent of yours, field agent, that this is the amount you entered. I would like all my money right here.
So let's say like in a worst case scenario, a computer crashes or the office system goes down completely. Is the customer's information and transactions safe at that time?
Yes, the system, we designed this system to back up data. Now data is backed up hourly on this system.
Yes.
So all the transactions that you've made at a particular time are automatically backed up into the system. Okay. So in case there is a crash or a system goes down, that data is still present for your access as a client. I
get.
Yeah.
Let's say like in that moment when the system was down and you were doing some things, when the system is retrieved, do I get the transaction that were done when the system was down by the clients?
Yes. The moment your system is restored, or let's say you have been having unstable internet.
Yes.
The moment you get stable internet, or the technical team has resolved that crash, the system will re-update itself, bringing all those transactions made when it was off, and you will be able to see them. Where the transactions are being done on mobile money, banking agent, you will be able to get all that information. Now, these ones that have been processed prior. Like let's say this customer has brought cash. Now that one you can upload it into the system afterwards.
Yes.
Yeah, and another thing, even if the system goes down, we have a response team. In case system has a problem, you contact the support team. And if that thing is beyond their profession or beyond their control, they forward it to the chief technical officer. So we have processes of how we handle those problems.
Yes.
And still on that, you can also contact us. And we have email, we have a telephone number, even physical location. Our office is in Lusaze.
Yes.
So you can reach us through even WhatsApp. There's a support group for every client for ours. Okay. Any issue that you have, you can just forward it, the support group, and then we handle the issue that you're facing.
Good. As we are concluding, Simon, you can give your viewers and clients a word.
Yeah, my word of advice to our viewers and clients out there is that SaveNet is a trusted system. Your accountability, your data, your information is all secure. And I would like to thank all those clients that are already enrolled on SaveNet. And those that would wish to join this family can kindly contact us or WhatsApp us or even visit our offices in Lusaze.
Thank you so much, Simon, for your time, and your conversation was really helpful and good. Thank you so much, our viewers. In case you have any question or you didn't understand anything, you are free to drop it in the comments section. We'll be happy to answer it in the next episode. And in the next episode, we'll be exploring more about SaveNet. You can get this app or this solution from Tricksoft. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Download the SaveNet app today. SaveNet, easy for you.